You see a person in a wheelchair, and you know you have the skills to aid that person. Why not innovate as quick as possible and allow that person to get up and walk?
When I met Michael and Chiaga, I saw two young guys that had good engineering and technology skills and a vision of a company they wanted to create.
With the story of some high-tech help for amputees, Maria.
That's right, Nick. A major advancement in the world of prosthetic limbs.
They've developed an incredible exoskeleton to help disabled
They're
patients.
also working on a device that would help paraplegics stand and walk.
Bionik's core focus is creating robotic technology to aid mobility impairments.
When we first started at Bionik, there was very little technology in the rehabilitation space.
Bionik's core and initial product is the ARKE exoskeleton.
ARKE uses a series of devices and components inside the product to understand when the person wants to take a step or rehabilitate, and we provide that step to them.
What Bionik brings to the market is a lot of creativity in the way we approach our design.
I'm responsible for the ergonomics, human interface, form, and the overall user experience part of the device. When the device is used, it needs to perfectly match with the human side of the user, as if the device becomes part of you.
We've looked at every possible scenario of how the body moves, understood it, and translated that into an engineering process. Now we have the capability of using robotics to get people up and walking.
What we're doing is we're augmenting. The person that lost that ability to walk, they need that extension, and we develop that extension for them.
Also, we have developed relationships with other companies, and a good example is the relationship that we are developing with IBM, which is a critical part of our business. We expect to do online analytics of the data through the cloud, which I believe is going to differentiate us from our competitors.
There are over 70 million people on this planet who have some form of mobility impairment. With technology and the skills we have, we believe we can solve many of those issues.
There's a very, very significant opportunity for robotic technologies to impact this market and improve people's quality of life.
With the exponential growth of technology, science has been completely revolutionized, and we can't even comprehend what is to come.